Hey y'all, today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be doing a fall favorite of mine, which is dehydrating apples. Now whether you picked them from your own yard, went to an orchard and picked them, or went to the grocery store and picked some up like I did, they're all going to pretty much come out the same, no matter where they came from. Now I am using a Nesco dehydrator. I bought it at Academy several years ago and it works just fine for dehydrating whatever I've put in it, whether it's beef jerky or apples. So let me show you what I've got going over here and let's get started. So here's my dehydrator. It's just a regular old Nesco. You can get it like Academy or somewhere, Walmart probably. Some cinnamon. I've got Granny Smith apples, Fuji apples, and Gala apples. I've got a bowl to put them in with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. There's my lemon juice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these apples and then I'm going to put them on my trays one at a time. But what you do after you slice them is you put them in the water with the lemon juice so that they don't brown. You don't want brown apples, you just want dehydrated apples. Just going to cut off the top. Cut off the bottom. And then cut them into slices. Making them all about the same width apart. And then I use this to get rid of the core that's on the inside. Then you put them in your lemon juice. Oops. And use this to get the center out. Soak it in lemon juice. Just continue to do the same thing with all of your apples. Don't do too many because they're not all going to fit on these trays. It'll only fit so many. It's not going to fit all 3 bags that I bought. I'll have to do some tonight, some tomorrow. Just line your tray with as many as you can get on there. After you've lined the tray, you're going to sprinkle some cinnamon on there if you want. Some people may not like cinnamon. I do, so I'm going to put some cinnamon on there. The lighting in my kitchen is so that the light's kind of behind me, I guess, makes a shadow. So bear with me here. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the cinnamon evenly on them. And then we're going to move on to the next tray. Once all your apples are in there, you're going to put the lid on your dehydrator, and I put it on about 140, and it's going to take 10 to 12 hours at least, depends on the humidity in your area. So I'm going to leave these overnight, and I'll be back tomorrow to show you the results. And after several hours, this is what you're going to have. Some of them get done quicker than others, and I'll go through and check, and I'll take out the ones that I know are already ready and leave the ones that aren't done yet, still cooking, still dehydrating, I mean. See, like this one is definitely done because it was cut thinner. This one was cut thicker, so it's not done. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through these and take out the ones that are done already, and I'll be back. So this first batch took about 8 hours to make. You never know how long it's going to take. You just got to keep checking them. You can store these in some Ziploc baggies or some canning jars that you vacuum seal, whatever you want to do. I don't keep them around here long enough. They go pretty fast. So these are just going to be put in some Ziploc baggies and handed out at work or kept in my refrigerator. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make dehydrated apples with me. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day.